Welcome to KahindoTech. In this video, I'll show you how to install Zoom on your Windows computer. But before we begin, let's hear a quick 30-second message from our video sponsor. This video is brought to you by Amazon Prime. If you find this video helpful at all, please try out the Amazon Prime free trial. With this trial, you get free Prime delivery, so no more shipping fees for you, exclusive discounts just for students, listen to 70 million songs completely ad-free, watch award-winning movies and TV shows, and then you get many other great Prime exclusive offers. Try all of this completely free of charge. And if you don't like it, just cancel the trial. You can find the link to this trial either in my video description or on the top of my comment section. Click on any one of these two links and it will take you to this page. Once you're on this page, if you're a student, click over here where it says start your 6 months trial. If you're not a student, click over here where it says see more plans. And then click on where it says not a college student. Then you can start your free 30-day trial. All right? Now get back to the video. Welcome back. Now, to install Zoom on your Windows computer is fairly easy, and they made it very, very easy. Okay? To begin, open up any web browser, and it can be anything. When Microsoft Edge or Google Chrome, I just like using Google Chrome. And go to google.com. Once you're on google.com, type in Zoom download. All right, the very first result should be this one that says download center. Click on that. And then download the very first option, this one here, the one that says Zoom client for meetings. Click on that. And usually it should download into your default download folder, which is the download folder. But if you don't know where that is, just pay attention here to the bottom and you should see this file. Once this file is done downloading, tap on it. And then you'll start opening the little installer. Okay. And there you go. That's how you install Zoom on your computer. It's very, very easy. And that's why I love this program. I think that's why they are so successful, because they make things very easy. Anyways, that's how you download Zoom on your computer. If you have any other questions or comments, please leave them in the comment section below. And please, if you found the video helpful, definitely like the video and subscribe. Thank you for watching.